Right.
Dylan, look at this. Ah, what do you want to do with this? What do you want me to do with it? Reese's cup. Ah. Nah. You're a little fatty, aren't you? You like Reese's cups? Mm? Go. You don't want it? No, I'm not going to give it to you. I'm just going to make a bite.
Why can't he have it?
Well, yes, you can. I want it. Oh, here, let's break it in half.
Daddy's gonna split it with you. He wants the bigger half.
I want the bigger half.
My mom's rule always was whoever breaks it, the other person gets to pick.
Yeah, but I weigh 8 times more than him. Doesn't that count for something?
No. Is that good, Dylan? He's gonna eat it just like his dad. Stick the whole thing in his mouth.
How is that?